MeghalayaPost.news
Ubah Charles Marngar MLA Kamahoti menta kesengiu labu ke jengkerpan syaka sorkar ban pynkhlaiñ ki bor pahara ki khappud ke jela khamtam hamauti constituency ban phak brio susu shamaulas nai police outpost bat kumjuru haum siang police outpost ki badan khappud ke Meghalaya ban Assam ban pentikna baki pajba ki basong basa khappud khamtam kathan block 2 kindon hapden ke jing imsuk khlam sha pantun Ubah Charles ulabu ru ke jengkeli syaka sorkar la kadon ni em ke jingtemu ban pynkhlaiñ ki bor pahara shikithan khappud ke jela nadu ki police outpost bat ki police station bagi pajba kin em hapdang ke jing song suk song san kumolong menta kathan mauti khamtam ki pajba ha kathan block 2 kidang em hapdang ke jing song suk bat kani baro kade jing tracy tom jong ki pulit bana kalyang UMLA ulai kublai yo menteri kampo yeng ke jela pat kumjuru ki pulit halor kani ka benta.
Firstly, I would like to thank Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Police and also Police Department for the efforts to make my people in the border area, especially in Block 2, to live in peace and harmony for the last 2.5 years. My supplementary question, sir, is to our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. Any step taken by the department to provide more manpower in the police station, police outposts in the border area, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Again, I would like to suggest Honorable Deputy CM and Police Department to provide more manpower, as well as in my constituency like Maulasnai Police Outpost and Umsiang Police Outpost, which is the interstate border with the Assam in my constituency, sir. Thank you.
We noted, sir.
MeghalayaPost.news